Yeah, it's not as nice a day today, but still not too bad. Had to do a bunch of rebuilding, all the broken shit from yesterday. Wheel loader turned out wiring had broken off the circuit board on the actuator. It's the second time that's happened on that one and on one other one that I have, so that kind of sucks. Anyways, soldered it back on carefully. It's working for now. On the haze, transmission started to go out on it. It's a cordless screwdriver, and it has like a clutch mechanism inside it, like a cordless drill would have. And anyway, it started to go haywire, so I took it all apart, and the pieces that are meant to slip, I welded them together, so hopefully they'll stay together. I'll probably break some gears or some shit now. And also the glue that I had in the rear axle to lock that came apart, stopped working, so I had to take that apart. So I rebuilt both rear ends, kinda, and the transmission, and the wheel loader in the shop. It's been a busy day. So we'll test it out, see if this thing can handle any weight now. I guess I should keep it on the road, that'll help. Get around a little bit better now with having both rear axles locked. We'll see, I guess. What's up with that? Little freak show. Be careful I don't knock the whole bank down on the back of the truck. Hopefully I can get this area opened up a bit more soon. It's a tight squeeze for the speed loader, especially with a not so speedy operator. about that? Just in time. Definitely doesn't steer as well with both axles locked. Don't know if I like that. Oh, I know what's going on. Maybe I don't. What the hell? Pull a wheelie? Sure. Sticky gate again. Well, I made it through one load without breaking down. Despite the tailgate thing. It's not really a breakdown, it's just a design flaw. Closed properly, how about that?